How to check a new iPhone before buying it. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, go to General as shown. Then, tap on About. This section provides details about your device, including the iOS version, model name, model number, serial number, and more. You can also view the total number of songs, videos, photos, applications on your phone as well as the total and available capacity. Here, long press on the serial number and tap on Copy. Now, go back and open up the Safari app. Here, go to checkcoverage.apple.com. Once you're here, scroll down and paste the serial number you just copied in the text bar. Then, tap on Submit below. You can view the coverage information over here. After that, go back and open up the Settings app. Then, go to General. Here, tap on Software Update to check for the available updates. As you can see, your phone is already up to date. And then, go back and tap on Battery. Then, scroll down and go to Battery Health. You can view details such as the battery health, maximum capacity, cycle date, and more from here. Following these steps, you can easily check a new iPhone before buying it.